Greetings, cosmic enthusiasts. Welcome to Vedic Astrology Lagna, your cosmic compass through the intricate realms of Vedic astrology. Today, we embark on an enlightening journey to unravel how to read Vedic birth charts, a beginner's guide. This comprehensive exploration is tailored to empower beginners, offering insights into the profound art of deciphering these celestial blueprints. Reading Vedic birth charts is akin to deciphering a cosmic map that unveils the unique patterns and energies influencing our lives. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the fundamental principles and techniques, providing you with the tools to navigate the celestial language of birth charts. Introduction to Vedic birth charts. Vedic birth charts, or Janam Kundli, serve as cosmic mirrors reflecting our destinies. These intricate charts encapsulate the precise positions of celestial bodies at the time of our birth, imprinting our life's trajectory with cosmic influences. Understanding the elements of a birth chart. A birth chart is an amalgamation of crucial elements, planets, zodiac signs, houses, and their unique placements. Each element carries distinct symbolism and interacts intricately within the birth chart, shaping our cosmic blueprint. The role of planets in birth charts. Planet birth charts symbolize cosmic energies that mold our personalities and experiences. We'll explore the attributes and significations of key planets, such as the Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, unraveling their influences on various facets of life. Interpretation of zodiac signs. Zodiac signs in birth charts represent different traits and qualities. We'll delve into the 12 signs of the zodiac, from fiery Aries to compassionate Pisces, deciphering their characteristics and how they manifest within individual personalities based on their placements. Exploring the 12 houses. The 12 houses in a birth chart delineate specific life areas, from the self to relationships, career, and spirituality. We'll decode the significance of each house and understand how planetary placements within these houses influence our experiences. Ascendant, Lagna. The ascendant, also known as Lagna, marks the commencement of the birth chart. It signifies our self-image, approach towards life, and how we navigate the world. Understanding the ascendant is pivotal in interpreting the entire chart. Birth chart analysis techniques. Various birth chart analysis techniques, such as planetary aspects, conjunctions, and yogas, enhance the depth of interpretation. We'll delve into these techniques to unveil the intricate dynamics and nuances of birth charts. Practical tips for beginners. Practical tips for beginners embarking on their astrological journey. We'll discuss accessible resources, software tools, key focal points to initiate the process of analyzing birth charts effectively. Mastering the art of reading Vedic birth charts opens portals to self-discovery and cosmic revelations. I hope this beginner's guide serves as a celestial compass on your astrological expedition. Thank you for joining me on this celestial odyssey exploring the essentials of reading Vedic birth charts. If this guide has illuminated your cosmic path, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vedic Astrology Lagna for more celestial insights and astrological wisdom.